Welcome to Super Copper Silver Sunday, where we show you all of our weekly pickups, everyone. And we talk about silver, gold, and copper, everybody. Copper. We're going to show you the charts for the last 5 years on silver, gold, and copper, and give you a short update on what happened on Friday with all of our beautiful metals. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody, and happy Super Copper Silver Sunday, everyone. Happy 4th of July. I hope everybody had a safe 4th of July yesterday. Incredible for the United States of America. If you just clicked on this video, stick with us. We do all kinds of really cool stuff on Super Copper Silver Sunday. We show our pickups at the end, everybody. They're always long videos. And we're going to talk about 5-year copper, silver, and gold prices, everybody. We're going to show you that, give you a little update on what happened on Friday since we didn't do one yesterday. And guess what, everybody? We're going to redraw. We're going to redraw. We had a winner here, but we're going to redraw on 2 of our giveaways that we did last Sunday. We have 1 week to contact me via my email on my homepage, everybody. So that we can get your giveaway to you. So we're going to redraw that today, and we're going to look at some really awesome stuff. But before we get started, I want to say thank you to all of you out there. Thank you, my viewers, for watching. Hey, 4th of July weekend's a tough weekend for viewership because everybody's celebrating 250 years of the United States of America, everybody. So, but an exciting time, everybody. Things are going great. Happy USA, everybody. Happy coffee. It's great coffee, everyone. So let's check out. Let's go over and let's look at some prices on our gold and our silver, everybody. What ended up on Friday? What ended up with copper and silver? Our gold ended up at $4,174, and today is the day to see what's going to happen tonight at about 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. What's going to happen with silver and gold? Is it going to shoot back up? Is it going to go down? July is a pretty decent month for silver and gold. June was a terrible month, but a fantastic month, right? I've got my lights. They would be green, but they're going on and off. They're fading in and out. So it's a positive thing right now for gold and silver and copper as they're going up. So we're going to find that out today. Silver ended up at 62.27. Buying opportunity. Everyone did. I'm sure there was a lot of people closed, but if you had a chance to buy, did you buy this weekend? I've got my pickups. We're going to show you my pickups at the end of this video, everybody. So silver and gold, 4,174 on gold, and silver at 62.27, everyone. Copper ended up really decent. It ended up at $5.99. Now, when we talk about copper, everyone, we're not talking about scrap copper, pipe, and wire. We're talking about bullion copper. Had one of our comments said, "There's no such thing as bullion copper." Well, yeah, there is. There is such thing as bullion copper. It's minted copper. Okay, it's beautiful copper. Copper, I believe, is the next silver. We're going to look at it here in a minute. We're going to look at the charts. So let's talk about what we think copper is going to do. Let's everybody discuss what they think copper's going to do, silver's going to do, what gold's going to do the rest of this year. I would enjoy your comments, everybody. Write down in the comment section. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, everybody. And let's talk about what you think these metals are going to do the rest of the year. I welcome all your comments. I still think that silver is going to continue to go up. Copper is going to continue to go up. They're related metals. Silver's a byproduct of copper mining. Copper mining is really, really slow right now. Copper mining is tough. The ore qualities are bad. They've got all of the easy copper and silver. They've got them out, right? It's already out of the ground. Now they got to go deeper. It costs multi-millions of dollars to mine copper, guys, to get a copper mine started. So that is one of the factors that's going to drive our copper prices up and drive our silver prices up. It's all about supply and demand, availability, right? So let's go ahead and let's check out some charts on our silver, on our copper, on our gold. Let's look at these charts and see what you guys think. Make sure to comment. I'm seeing a definite pattern. It's easy to look at the charts over a 5 year. I do a 5 year because, guys, it's a long-term hold. Silver's a long-term hold. Copper's a long-term hold. Gold's a long-term hold, everyone. So all of these metals are long-term holds. So that's why we did a 5 year. So let's check this out. So as you can see right here, our gold ended up at 41.7410 for the week, ending on Friday, and silver at 62.27. So let's go over here and let's pull up the charts for gold on a 5 year. We're going to click down here and we're going to go to a 5 year, guys, and we're going to start way back here, July of 2021, everybody. And gold was right at $1,700 an ounce right here. And if you'll look at this, a 5 year run on gold, everybody, it's pretty obvious. It's very, very steady. Gold's very steady. And of course, we had our big $5,656 on gold back in January, guys. And then we had a big drop. But if you'll take these lines and you'll start here and you go just like this, bring it just like this, everybody, you'll see that run. So it's been a very, very good, hard, steady increase on gold for the last 5 years. It's, in my opinion, we've been in kind of a bull run for 5 years, 41.74 right now, guys. And what is going to happen? In the next 5 years from now, it's a long-term hold. Silver, 62.27, guys. Let's look at the chart on silver and let's click over here. We're at 62.27. Let's click our 5 year run, everybody. So look here, we're back $23 an ounce, July 26th of 2021, everyone. $23 an ounce. So when you see people talk about, I invested in silver and I put in $100,000 and it dropped $30 an ounce in 4 days. You can't base it on that. You got to look at this stuff differently. So let's move in on here. And if you look at this run, everybody, it is a steady, steady run, just like gold. But look at the volatility, how fast it went up. I mean, here we are in December 1st of 2025. We're already at $60 an ounce from 2024, guys. December of 2024, we were at about pretty close, 22.96, and then look at that, December 1st, $58, and then it just rocketed. Man, everybody remembers this, rocketed up over $120 an ounce, everybody, and then of course we dropped back down. But if you'll look at this run here, same way on silver, all the way back to 2021, and here we are all the way up to $62 an ounce on our silver, everybody. So just a proven track record of 5 years from here all the way to here, our silver has done fantastic. So let's move over here. We've got our 5 year on copper, everyone, back in July 12th of 2021. We're at $4.28 on copper. We had some big dips down here to right at $3.20 in 22. But look at the steady. Now it's pretty volatile, just like silver. You can see the hard dips and the hard inclines on copper, but it's steadily, very steadily gone up. I mean, we went all the way up to over 675 a pound, and we're at about 607 here, 595 here. So we're at 599 right here as of Friday, guys. So that tells you right there what is happening in a 5-year period, long-term hold. Okay, so from 2021 at $4 a pound all the way to 2026, we're roughly $2 a pound higher, and that is a lot for copper. Now that is the industrial, that is the copper ore, that's the stuff coming out of the ground, guys, the spot prices. It just takes so much on silver and gold to bring them to the consumer, to get them to the hardware stores for wire and pipe and all that. And then it costs even more to get these beautiful bullion bars minted, everybody, on copper. So that is what we're looking at on our long term. I think copper is going to continue to do this, and I think silver is going to do the same. I think gold's going to do the same. They're all still predicting silver and gold to do these things. And the next 5 years are going to be big for all of you silver, gold, copper, and beautiful platinum and palladium stackers. So let's move over here and let's check out some incredible stuff, guys. Let's look at some silver and some silver eagles and some rounds, coins, and some just generic stuff. What are the prices on these bullion dealers right now when we're at 62, a little over 62 in spots? So let's look and see where our premiums are on our eagles right now, guys. So SD bullion right now, 69.01, really not a bad price on silver eagles. And silver maples, probably pretty close to the same. Let's look at U.S. silver. We got junk. Let's look at some Australian Perth mint. Those are really, really cool, everybody. Kangaroos right now are at $68.91. So a really good price on kangaroos. Hey, so Aussie, not a bad price on your laptop, on your kangaroos, everybody. I had to get the charger for the laptop, guys. So let's move over and let's look at some. Let's go over here and look at some silver rounds, some 1 ounce silver rounds, guys. Really, because the premiums on stuff like eagles, I think that just like Mike, my buddy, was telling me, your best buy for the future, if you really want to stack, is just generic rounds, buffaloes, Morgan, such, 67.11. But if you guys look down here, as we can see, 68.61. If you just buy 1 or 5 or whatever, if you really want the big price, you got to buy 500 ounces. So SD bullion, a good one to go to. And then over here on the 1 ounce rounds for money metals, we're looking at, let's see here. What do we got? Private mint. Here's some rounds. Here's some buffalo stuff. Buffaloes are $67.14, actually $69, about the price of a silver eagle on SD bullion, guys. So your stuff like the U.S. Silver eagles. Let's go find some silver eagles. Where they at here? Well, we'll just do it the fast way. Silver eagle. If I can spell. Did I spell? Yeah. And let's look and see what they're getting on some silver eagles. Now that spot price of $80, guys, that's a little on the stout side, in my opinion. $80 for silver eagle when our spot is 62. So the premiums are really, really high here. And then we'll look at some copper premiums. Government, what is government on U.S. American silver eagles? Let's see what those are. Government, $76.95, guys, and that's before credit card fees. That's before all of that, everyone. So $76.95 government, JM Bullion. Let's look at JM Bullion. Let's scroll down here and let's see where they're at on our Silver Eagles. U.S. American Uncirculated Silver Eagles. Let's look at those. 69.11. That's a pretty good price, everybody. But remember, you're going to pay more than that. That's if you buy like 500 of them. It's not really, if you can buy one, because there's a lot of us that just can only buy one. So while we're here at JM Bullion, let's look at copper and see what we're doing on copper now with JM Bullion. Where are we at on copper? Wow, that's a 10-pound bar, 289. Let's find some. There's a beautiful buffalo. One of my favorites, I think. Look at that, the 250th. $7, guys. It's going to be higher than that because, once you add it to your cart and they start adding all the fees, credit card fees and all that stuff, well, you know what happens? It goes up. But the availability is way better. These are really cool. 10-ounce Silvertown ponies. Very cool. $40. There's a 5-ounce right here for $22.99. So JM Bullion's got rounds. JM Bullion's got bars. And let's look at money metals. Let's look at our copper on money metals and see what we've got on copper. And I typed it in wrong. No, I need to popped it up. So here's some really cool stuff. Come on. This is when you're filming, these kind of things happen, right? Stuff that's in stock, everybody. They've got copper in stock. Germania, I'm going to look at that in just a second, but the 5 ounces are still running about $22. Yeah, right here, $22 for the 5 ounces. Here's a 2 ounce for $9.49. I mean, it's come down a little bit, but copper's still in a depleted status, just like silver is. So SD Bullion, let's look at theirs real quick and see what they've got. Let's see if there's any Germania too here in just a second. They're about $6 an ounce here. This is a beautiful Rifleman copper round. We talked about that last week, $6 an ounce. Still, silver used to be $5 and $6 an ounce. $5 and $6. Let's look at Germania. Let's see if I spell it. Yeah, copper. Let's see what kind of availability we have. I haven't done that in a while, everybody. So out of stock once again. Out of stock. So since they're out of stock, a lot of people are out of stock. Let's look at APMEX real quick and see if they have any in stock, because they did have some in stock, and it was pretty expensive, guys. Germania, copper. Let's do that. Okay, well, they're showing them in stock. So a 5 ounce, $71.99, a 10 ounce, $133.99, and a kilo, $349, guys. What happens when these things go out of stock? The price skyrockets. Next week, we'll look at eBay once again on that stuff. But it just kind of goes to show you what is happening with our silver and our copper, guys. We're in a deficit on our silver and copper. We're 46 million just this year on silver. And on copper, guys, currently we're between 150 and a half a million metric tons of copper predicted deficit just in 2026, everyone. So, excuse me, allergies are not in full force, but I have a little bit. So forgive me for that. But yeah, super big shortfall on copper. What does that do? Then we have a shortfall on silver. So what's the next thing we're going to do? We're going to stack silver. We're going to stack gold. We're going to stack copper. I'm going to continue to diversify in different things, everybody. So when we're done with this video, when we get done showing our pickups, everybody, we're going to redraw for our gold back, everybody. I'm sorry, buddy, but you lost the gold back. We gave you plenty of time on this beautiful $300 gold back, everyone. We have to jump on these. The one that won the gold back wallet with the gold backs jumped right on it, got a hold of me. It was not hard. You go to my homepage, it has me with this, and you click on my homepage, everybody, and there's a little deal that says more, MORE. You click on that and drop it down. It shows you, hey, email. And you click on that, and there's my email address. So all you got to do is get in touch with me. You got a week to do it. And the 10 ounce, let's pull that out real quick. The massive 10 ounce, beautiful nativity scene. Well, you're gone. And we're going to give that, not a nativity scene. The horse, Year of the Horse, 10 ounce. We're redrawing for these two today, everybody. Redrawing for these two. So if you don't want to watch the video and you just want to scroll through so you can have a chance at getting one of these, everyone. So you can do that too. So, but we appreciate you watching them all the way through. So, hey, everyone, beautiful Super Copper Silver Sunday. Happy 250th to the United States of America, everyone. Let's check out some incredible pickups that I've gotten over the last week. I'm excited about those. We're slowing down just a little bit, but we may get some more bullion if prices stay down. So let's check those out, everybody. So we had to go warm up our coffee, everybody. And if you're new to silver, or actually Super Copper Silver Sunday, guys, what we do on here is we show you some of the pickups. We show you some of the stuff that we currently have. Now, I didn't bring it all out, everybody. And if you've seen my copper videos, you know I have a lot. I think I'm getting close to about 1,000 ounces right now on copper. I've slowed down a little bit because I'm concentrating on our bullion stack right now. So we've got some beautiful silver pulled out. And you know what? When you buy silver, it's a long-term hold, everybody, just like copper. Copper's a long-term hold too. But when you buy this stuff, everybody, it is, I mean, come on. How could you not love that? And then, you know, of course, your eagles up here. We've got the eagles, and we've got some buffaloes out. We've got some incredible Libertads, guys. Let's turn on our light right here so we can see this stuff. Incredible Libertads. We've got some incredible Libertads put out, everyone. And of course, since we are 250th, let's bust out the eagle, right? The Liberty, 250th. Yeah, I got to get over here. Beautiful, beautiful 10 ounce Liberty. We got this from Mike. I bought a lot of stuff from Joe. Joe's Gold and Silver, great guy, veteran. Thank you, Joe, for your service to our country. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful flag in the background? Beautiful eagle. Let's see if I can get this thing set back up here with it not falling off, because it is tricky, everybody. It's tricky. I don't know if it's going to happen. Yeah, it's tricky. Well, let's just do this. Let's just set her down just like that. Hey, that works just as good, everybody. And then, of course, our beautiful, if you've not seen these are Cook Islands actual currency coins, 50-gram currency coins. If you haven't gotten one of these, you need to get these. They're a little pricey, but worth every penny. I think these are going to be highly collectible in the future. So don't forget the Libertads, the Buffaloes, the 5 ounce. Cool stuff, guys. Let's get to showing you the silver first that we picked up in one of these bars. Actually, let's do this. Let's show you this. Now this, look at that. Is that not beautiful? Is that not beautiful silver? Wait, that's not silver. Let's pull this out. This is not silver, everybody. And of course, you know, that's just how I am. I mess with you. Fine German silver, but it's not silver. It is not silver, everyone. That is where you have to be careful, okay? Fine German silver, 999, 1 troy ounce. It's not silver. So I've got another one of these, everybody. This is a beautiful little bar, not made of silver. So compositions are different. I don't know. There's some things about this. I did some research on it. I've already forgotten because I'm ADHD. But go check it out. Go research fine German silver 999 because it's really not silver, everybody. But yet it's still cool to have to show people as an example. Be careful what you bid on and buy. Our next thing, guys, and we got quite a few of these. These I got for collectability. They're really, really cool. I got 4 of them. The Franklin Mint 50 States of the Union mini coins. Very, very cool. Silver mini coins. This one, mint location, Yaden, Pennsylvania. If you're from Pennsylvania, 1969. Very, very cool little mini coin, little fractional, super fractional mini coin, 925. Arkansas, 23,000 of these minted, guys. So very, very cool. What's this one? This one right here, my home state, everybody, Oklahoma. 23,449 of those minted, everybody. These are very, very cool. So Oklahoma, Arkansas, everybody. Here's another one. And this one's Texas. Big Tex. Texas, everybody. How do you love that? Gotta love Texas. Gotta love Oklahoma. Gotta love Arkansas. Which other one do we have here? And another close state, Missouri, everybody. Missouri, all you Missouri fans out there, we got to Missouri now. But guys, these are very, very cool. Look them up. They're fun to have. A lot of history on these. Very, very cool. 1969, everybody. I was 4 years old. 4 years old. So let's move on. That's part of our numismatic stack. We'll keep these nice and pristine and just keep on rolling with our numismatic stuff. Now, this one right here, I was very excited to get because it is a rarity. Wartime nickel, 1 ounce silver bar. Everybody, these are pretty special. 1973. Now, got a little toning on it on the edges. Now, look at this. You think, hey, that's a real nickel? They embossed a nickel into a silver bar? Not really. That's an actual mold, guys. That's a mold. That's a really, really good mold. The date's just a little bit in a different place right there. Not really where it should be, but incredible mold. Sam Sloat, 1973, our 10th year wartime nickel buying ad. Sam Sloat Inc., everybody. These are hard to get. They're hard to find. So if you find one, I suggest you probably get one because these are going to be great to pass down to others in the future. And it's going to really probably really drive up in value. It already has. These are going anywhere from, let's say, $90 to $300. Just depends on their condition. But can I take that toning off of there? Absolutely. Without damaging it? Absolutely. But no, I'm not going to do that because this is a numismatic bar, not a coin or anything like that, but a bar. So very, very cool. We're going to put that in our stack. That's one of the ones I was very excited about. And our next one, everybody got a little bit of, let me wipe that fingerprint. Well, I can't. But anyway, we got us a really cool 5 ounce Sunshine Mint silver bar, everybody. Now, I need some more silver bars. I have lots of coins and rounds, everyone. I concentrated on coins and rounds, and now I'm going to start trying to get some bars in the mix, everyone. And because they're fun and they're really, really easy to stack, everybody. So that's part of the bullion. That's going to go right there, everyone. Let's move these over here. Let's show you our next. Now, we got last week, we got us another tube. So another tube of these right here. Oh, hit the old camera. Liberty. Very, very cool little Liberty rounds, everybody. Oh, I hit the camera again. We're having problems this morning, everybody, and I need to drink more coffee. It must have been yesterday's deal. So we got us a full tube of rounds, Liberty rounds right there, everyone. 20 ounces to add to the heavy stack. And let's move on to our last pickups. And guess what? We got us a 5-ounce Germania. These things are not real easy to get right now. Again, everybody, but another 5-ounce Germania, everyone. Once again, the granddaughter came over. I gave her her choice to pick up a whatever she wanted from the treasure chest back here, and I had these sitting by it, and so she got another one of those. So we would have, I think, about five ounces right now, except for the fact that granddaughter loves these Germania bars just like her papa, and so she snagged another one of those, and she's learning all about money right now. She's 3.5 years old, highly intelligent, everyone, and she's learning about money and value in metals, whether it be silver and gold. My last pickup, everybody, I bought this just because it was really cool. It's more of an art bar, but it's 10 ounces of copper, and it's a deer, United States of America, everybody. Really cool. I love wildlife. I don't have a lot of this stuff. I don't collect a lot of this stuff, but this will be good to give to the grandkids someday, for sure. And way back here in the back, you can see that deer right there. See it? Really, really cool. And then you can kind of see this right here too. It's kind of, it's just really cool. So deer right there, deer right here, 10 ounces of beautiful copper with beautiful, beautiful wildlife, everyone. And there we go. So, hey, what's next, everybody? Let's do the giveaway. Now, sorry for the sound quality, everybody. It's a little bit off because my mics, I didn't get those completely charged up. So if it's a little off, I apologize. But let's just go do the giveaway. And we're going to start once again with, oh my gosh. So let's just start this over, everyone. Oh my goodness. So basically it's going to echo just a little bit because of the mics. And this is recording off the actual phone. So we're going to do this first. This is the 10 ounce Year of the Horse, everybody. Craig sent this to us for a giveaway, and we have got our little hat full of paper from last week. So we're gonna do one, and then we're gonna move on to the big boys. So we have a winner, everybody. We have a winner. And who do we have for that 10 ounce copper? Awesome. Okay, Douglas Keeler K6T. Douglas Keeler K6T. You have won on the redrawing for the 10 ounce copper, beautiful copper, Year of the Horse round. Douglas, get a hold of me. You got 1 week to do this. The last folks did not do it. That's why we're redoing the giveaway this week. So the next one, everyone, here's the big boy. Hope you're watching, everyone. This is the $300 gold back, basically. 250, between 250, 300 bucks. Incredible. And, you know, we made this fair. What happened is, how you do this is you use a comment picker. It goes through all the videos, and it picks so many, blah, blah, blah. And then I take those and I cut them out, and that's how we make it fair. So we draw from a hat. We have a winner, guys. Who is it? Who is it on the gold back? Who is it on the redrawing? I'm sorry that you missed the drawing on the go back in the 10-ounce round, but who do we got here? Oh, I've seen this guy, Mr. R Investor Channel. Mr. R Investor Channel. If you are watching, you have won that high dollar go back. Wow. Amazing. You won the go back. Congratulations on the go back, R Investor. Congratulations, Doug Keeler, on the 10-ounce copper round. Go back, copper round, guys. Thank you, Go Back, for providing this go back for a giveaway. Hopefully we'll get some hats and such, everybody. Everybody have a fantastic Super Copper Silver Sunday. And we'll be doing more giveaways. It's just a lot of fun. We like to give back, everybody. So everybody have a fantastic Sunday. I'm off tomorrow, so we will see you tomorrow on tomorrow morning's updates. Keep watching us, everybody. Heavenly Father, thank you so very much for all you've given us. Thank you for these viewers on YouTube that provide me a lot of joy. Thank you, everybody, and concentrate on the 80% that you have and not the 20% that you seek. I'm out.